Hello and welcome to another daily Quaker Parrot video. We got our birds on February 5th, 2021, and we are recording footage every single day and posting videos daily to see the progress we are making with our birds. Any likes and subscriptions are greatly appreciated, and be sure to do so if you want to follow right along with us and see the growth and training and development of our Quaker Parrot. Come here, baby. All right, we got a new thing for you today. A nice package in the mail. You want to see what it is? Yeah? Yeah? Very careful because they can be very jumpy when things startle them. Well, this is going to need some assembly. This is a play area for the birdies. And it's wrapped one more time. Alright, let's see what we got here. Let's lay out our pieces. Hey, I got a screwdriver. That's cool. Instructions. Ladder. Oh. Alright, I'll let them just chill over there for a little bit. They're going to get freaked out by any stuff. Especially loose stuff like this, for some reason, if there's a loose perch near them, they kind of freaks them out. I'm not sure why. Alright, this doesn't too bad. The instructions, I'm going to put this together super fast. Oh man. Okay. I'm getting my drill. Now, I'll put it together fast. And there we go. All done. Never mind that little broken piece right there. Nothing happened. So here's their little play thing. Got a perch and a ladder and some hanging toy things, a couple little food dishes. Now, to see if they like it. Oh, we got a pan there too. This is cool. This goes down here. That's cool. Alright, birdos. Let's check this out. Wanna see what we got here? Uh-oh. Oh, come on. Come on. Don't be scared of it. Don't be scared of it. It's like a little house. Come on. Really? Cool, huh? It's okay. See? Yeah. I'm so freaked out about stuff. Alright, come here. Ouch. Ouch. Lights out, bird. Alright, come here, buddy. Come here, baby. Come here. It's okay. See, your buddy's right here. It's okay. There you go. Good job. Yeah. Oh, I'm so happy. It both flew off as soon as I got near it. A little hangout area, huh? See if I can sneak back over here without you guys freaking out. Oh, yeah. All right. What's up? Hi. Hello. afraid to touch anything. I want to scare them. I'll just let you guys discover stuff on your own. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, see? A little ladder there. Checking it out. Yay! Okay, I'm going to bring this upstairs. Find a place to put it up there. Hopefully they like it. That way maybe I can bring it down here when I'm doing stuff. Recording stuff. They can hang out with me. Is that right? Yeah? Hey guys. Hello. Birdie birdie. I better go upstairs. It's 6 o'clock. Okay, here's a little better look at it from above. So this is so this is how it turned out. Birds are hanging out over here. They're still a little weary of it, but I think they will get used to it, I hope. But I like it. It's pretty cool. We got it on Amazon. I'll put a link down below to it if you want to check it out. And thanks for watching. Thank you for watching. We post videos every day on our Quaker Parrots. They can range from training or just random videos of us hanging out with the birds, or maybe tips and advice for working with your Quaker Parrots, or something that we have came across that may be helpful to others. Thanks again for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to support us, and if you want to follow along with us, see the growth and development of our Quaker Parrots. Thank you.